Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will delve into the common charging port issues faced by Lenovo Legion 5 users and how to address them effectively. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the device. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as they can be quite small and easy to misplace. Once the back panel is off, take a moment to inspect the charging port. Look for any visible signs of damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use a can of compressed air to gently clean the area. This can often resolve connectivity issues without further intervention. If the port appears intact but the laptop still isn't charging, it may be time to check the internal connections. Carefully disconnect the battery by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. This step is crucial, as working on the device while it's powered can lead to further complications. After removing the battery, locate the charging port's connector on the motherboard. Ensure that it is securely attached. If it seems loose, gently reattach it. If you're not comfortable performing these steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Once you've checked the connections, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps taken. Replace the battery and back panel, ensuring all screws are tightened properly. Now, power on your device and test the charging port with the original charger. If the laptop still does not charge, it may indicate a more serious issue with the motherboard or the charging circuit. In such cases, it's advisable to seek professional assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Before any repair, we always provide a quote, so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device's care. In summary, addressing charging port issues on the Lenovo Legion 5 involves careful inspection and a few straightforward steps. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting power and using the right tools. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, we're here to assist you with a hassle-free service that includes collection and delivery at your home. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.